How are you today? My name is Jeff Davis. I work for the Denton County Sheriff's Office. I supervise our drug enforcement group. Been working in drug enforcement for the last 26 years. What I'm going to talk to you about today is a process that we do fairly frequently in law enforcement, especially within the drug enforcement unit. And we kind of take that for granted because we do perform this task so often. I can tell you that a lot of times the task is not performed per instructions or accurately, and sometimes interpretation is also not accurate. So we're going to solve those problems today. So what we're going to talk about today is performing a field test using the NARC2 reagent test. In this case, we're going to use test 15, which tests for methamphetamine and MDMA. MDMA is methylene dioxymethamphetamine, which is commonly referred to on the street as ecstasy. So first thing we're going to talk about is safety. As far as safety, the manufacturer recommends you use nitrile gloves. I'm going to tell you that I use puncture-resistant gloves when I do it. They also recommend that you have respiratory and eye protection when you conduct the field test. So what you're going to have is you're going to have the NARC2 box. In this case, we have test 15. It's made by Searchy as the manufacturer, and they are really good about putting the instructions somewhere on the box or will be contained in a pamphlet inside the box. Either way, it'll walk you through the process here. Very rarely does this get read, I can tell you that. So what you're going to do when you open it up, there's going to be multiple pouches. Inside, the pouch looks just like this. It's got a loading stick, and it's got a pouch with a seal on top, and inside will be 3 ampules filled with liquid. Those are the reagent liquids that we're going to use for the test. Now, if you read the instructions you're going to have on your safety equipment, you're going to open the top of the bag just like that. It opens like that, and your loading stick is contained with the pouch. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your loading stick to take a sample of the controlled substance. You're going to place it into the pouch, just like so. Once you do that, you're going to take the closure, you're going to place it on top, and you're going to reseal the top of the bag so it'll look just like that. Next thing you're going to do, per instructions, is you're going to take the ampules and you're going to break them left to right, one at a time. As you tap the substance to the bottom, you're going to break the first one. You're going to agitate the bag. The second one, agitate. On the third one is where you're going to get your color reaction. You can see on the pouch that what we're looking for is an inky blue color that will result in a positive presumptive test for either methamphetamine or MDMA. Very simple. Once you get that, you take a photograph of the pouch with the positive result, and you can maintain that for evidence purposes. Very simple. Again, safety first. We're going to wear our protective gear. We're going to conduct the test as required by the manufacturer so that we can say we have a valid test. We're also going to have to understand what we're reading when we read it, and that we're looking for the inky blue color to indicate a positive test. Very simple, very easy, but not always done correctly. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope this helps.